In the same way as we live in harmony with nature and our surroundings, the cremated remains of our loved ones can also rest forever in the most natural way possible. Cementiris de Barcelona offers various options for taking care of cremated remains. Biodegradable urns have enabled us to incorporate cremated remains into our natural surroundings in a way that is sustainable and that can encourage reforestation. Taking advantage of the beauty of our surroundings and our facilities, we have created gardens specifically for the scattering of ashes in a peaceful and pleasant setting. Cinerary columbaria provide several options for the interment of cremated remains in spaces that form part of the tradition of cemeteries. The cremated remains can also be interred in a family vault. Cementiris de Barcelona keeps a record of all the interments, making it the best way to preserve the memory of our loved ones. For more than 200 years, Cementiris de Barcelona has guaranteed remembrance for future generations. A natural resting place for cremated remains.